Pops, dito maapakan. Dito kayo maapakan yung mais. Po tayo dito. Oh, that's all of it. So ayan na guys, husband ang nagtuloy ng aking gawain kasi hindi ako marunong. Ang alam ko lang ay kumain, kaya ayan. Ito lang. Alam mo, yapakan yung mais. Ayan na. Dito lang. Haba ng kanilang pinuntahan. So, ayan. See kung gaano kalayo ang kanilang kailangan fertilize na mais. Huwag kasi maguluan. Dito lang. Dito lang.
Alright.
Long nights alone, sleeping by myself with no one to hold, and I think, don't you worry my friend, you've got time, but right now I think I need someone who takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me
like that. So ayun guys, so nandito lang ako para mag-inspect. So char lang. So nag-try naman ako pero hindi ko alam. So baka masira ako yung mais namin. Wala kami kikitain. So sila na lang. So ayan lang. Wala lang ang video na ako. Ayun guys, hope you learn something from this video. So ayun, yung iba malalaki na yung mais. Ayan.
Tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you that wants to be free? I said, we are young and afraid, but life is unpredictable. Can you be the one that takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night? I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody
kami magtago ng ating mga dinanap sa lilim.
Love me
Ito
like that.
mainit. So, ang hirap ng buhay po sa buhay ng farmers, guys. So, ayan. Dito kami sa may puno kasi sobrang init. Kasi 3 o'clock na po in the afternoon. So, ayan. Time check. So, ayan ang aming tataniman. Kapagod guys ha. Hindi madali.